anti-aging skin tightening home remedies to remove wrinkles on face. When it comes to make anti-aging home remedies, aloe vera gel is going to be one of the best choice ever. Naturally, there are two proteins that keep our skin smooth, tight and wrinkle-free are collagen and elastin. A natural moisturizer aloe vera has antioxidants to fight aging, wrinkles and fine lines. Also helps to tighten face skin in an organic way. It's true that aging, toxins, sun exposure, lack of sleep can cause elastin and collagen to break over time. Hence there are many anti-aging creams available in market to get instant facelift, but they are maximum chemical based. Now to get the collagen production, you need those nutrition with moisturizing properties back to your skin to get healthy, younger looking skin naturally. So firstly, we are going to make a homemade moisturizer for your aging skin. When we grow old, our skin starts to lose. Natural elasticity leads to sagging. People opt for cosmetic products, but they are costly and not suitable for every type of skin as they are chemical based. So, we are so lucky to have some ancient home remedies to tighten skin. They are not going to give you instant facelift, but reduce wrinkles around mouth 100% with time. If you start to use this routinely, surely you will like to see the skin softening effects as it hydrates and reduces age spots, stretch marks, dull skin texture. It will give you radiant, healthy glowing skin over time. The best part is you can also store it for some weeks and use almost every day in night time. You may have dry skin, oily skin, or sensitive skin. It is going to be applied in all types of weather condition. Now you have to put it in refrigerator for 24 hours, and we will proceed to the next step. To make a homemade moisturizer in first step, we are going to add same amount of honey. Those probiotics, enzymes and nutrients present in honey will make this DIY skin tightening remedy to the most effective skincare regimen. If you want a DIY rejuvenating moisturizer cream for your face, which you can also apply in night, then this is going to be a great remedy for you. When it comes to make an anti-wrinkle skin firming cream or any types of skin care home remedies which will create soft hydrated skin by reducing fine lines with improving skin tone, the second choice will obviously the organic raw honey. After making a homemade moisturizer serum, we are going to show you another process to use it for an extraordinary effect. We all know potato is packed with vitamin C, B6, potassium and phosphorus. Applying potato juice can help to remove age spots and makes your skin glowing at home. And if you want to add this benefit with an anti-aging wrinkle removal effects, then we will mix this potato juice with previously made moisturizer. That homemade procedure will smooth a new skin to get wrinkle-free, radiant, younger-looking skin in natural way. It's true that wrinkles around mouth is natural part of aging process. It is mainly the result of lack of moisture. There are also many remedies to get rid of wrinkles on face, forehead and under eyes. People thinks many ingredients can make only good remedy, but there are some simple 2 to 3 ingredients are enough, if you know the right way to use it. Now you have to mix this potato juice with that DIY moisturizer. Here you have to take the same amount of both natural ingredients. Here we are taking 1 teaspoon of every parts. Just mix it well and apply. Keep it overnight and wash it in the morning with cool water. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel to get natural healthy tips.